Hey there, all the tech geeks, all the coders out there. This is yours, Innovative Coder. And in last video, we saw some operations on strings. And in this video, also, we'll continue with that only, and we'll see how you can take input from user also. So continuing with that, you can. We saw this is upper statement is upper function. What you can also do is lower. So you can use print a dot lower. So what we'll see here would be true and then ABC, right? So now you must have got the logic that here we converted into upper and now we are converting into a lower. One another function what we can do here is we can use print a dot strip. So what a dot strip will do, so here you won't get it, but what a dot strip is actually doing is, so if we add some spaces over here and on this side also, so now you'll see we won't be getting something like this, we'll be getting something, so what it does is it cuts all the or it's chop off all the spaces which are on the right and left of the string of the string value. It won't be chopping the in between spaces of the sentence. It will be chopping all the spaces which are before the statement and after the statement. So this is done using strip function. We can do this. We can also do something like print a dot is alpha. So is alpha, yeah. So for using this, for seeing all the function, I'm using tab. So by using tab, you can choose between the various functions, right? And then this. So it will give me false uh, because there are no, because there so is alpha is giving me false in this for this thing. And I don't know why. Why is it okay? So because it includes spaces also, right? Yeah, it includes spaces also. That is why it is giving me false over here. So next, jumping over directly to the input from the user input statement. So how you can take in user input. You what you need to do is you need to write something like a equals to input, right? And then in Jupyter Notebook we'll get this rectangular box. You can write your statement over here, and this star here shows, and this star and this over here black dot shows that your compiler is waiting for you for your use for the user input. The compiler is still in process. You can no, here it is not visible, but yeah, you can see over here. So I will write how are you, and now in my a I have how are you. And if I do a dot type, okay, so that's a string type. So I think I can do something like type of a, right? So it will tell me string, right? So I have my a as string data type. I can do that. I can do something like this. If I want to convert it into integer, I can also typecast it. I can typecast it over here only. I can do int and then my input, and it would directly, hey, um, that's wrong actually. I must specify an integer. So this integer, right? And if I would have done it, I wouldn't have typecasted it. Then what it would have done over here on would be like 9, and type would be string, and when I'll print it I'll get 9 like this, right? So these are some things which you can do. Also, if you want to write a statement in your input statement, so what you can do is how nahi, what we can do is please enter please enter a number, right? You can see that that exact that statement is written over here only. So you can do something like this, right? Yep. That's all for this video. I know this is a very short video, but we have covered a lot from till now. So I will be closing this video here only. Thank you, and keep watching and keep subscribing. And also, guys, follow me on Instagram. I have a very nice page over there. I have around 17,000 followers, and it is growing at a very good rate. So do follow me. Just type innovative coder on Instagram, and you'll be able to find me. And you can also contact me. I always give very good feedback, good response on that. Thank you.